There's this saying, if you want to change the world, start by cleaning your room. And when I think about that quote, it makes me think about how there's so much going on right now in the world, so many challenges, ups and downs, and it can be quite overwhelming. I remember there was a point when I had just finished medical school and residency, and I was thinking, I want to go and change the entire healthcare system. And what I discovered over time was that it's a huge problem and a huge challenge for one person like me to go change an entire institution. And it felt super overwhelming. And then as I've learned and matured and grown older, I've discovered what I can control is myself and my circle of influence. So that's kind of my greatest power. Not necessarily changing something big and abstract outside of me, but what can I personally do? If you think about the word responsibility and break it down into two words, response-ability, the ability to respond. And so when there are these challenges, and we're all going to face them, as you and I both know, how can I choose a proper response? What can I personally do that's going to be the most empowering? It's easy to sit back and complain. We do it all the time. I know I've done it before. But that doesn't actually create a change. So some examples of cleaning your room would be literally just cleaning your room, taking care of your health, taking care of your family. All of these little things will add up. And then you can start focusing on expanding that circle outside. You might write a letter to your congressperson. You might even run for office. You may even start up a company. So all of these things that you can do, it's about taking personal power and autonomy back, right? When you do that, you're going to have more autonomy, you're going to have more freedom, and it's just a much more empowering way to live. So how does all of this relate to ketamine? Well, one of the things that I've noticed at our clinic is patients who undergo the ketamine infusions, they start gaining more of a sense of personal power in their life. One of the surveys that we have patients fill out with each session, it's called the Personal Mastery Scale. And this scale is a survey that measures how empowered does someone feel. And one of the interesting things is as the patients are receiving those infusions, they get more personal mastery. They feel like they're in more control of their life. So when we have more personal power and mastery, this can make significant changes in our life. Please let me know what you think about this. Leave me any questions, comments below. And of course, hit that like and subscribe button so I can see you in the next video.